Shalom Aleichem. This is Rav Hershel Reichman, continuing our series of Torah's Chaim, fundamental ideas of Torah life and Torah living, and we're focusing now on Avodah. There are three pillars which the Mishnah says that the world rests upon: Torah, Avodah, Gemilas Chasadim, and we're explaining and developing some of the ideas of Avodah, of serving Hashem, particularly in Tefillah, in our prayers. And prayers, of course, are a core part of Torah living. And Chazal say that prayer in general falls into two categories. There's the category of bakasha, of requesting things from the Almighty, and there's shevach, there's praising Him for the good things which He does and which continues to do and has done and will do. And today I wanted to talk, also demonstrate a little bit how negina, how melody, is part of praying. We know that in the Beit HaMikdash, which is the most important place in the world for Avodah, for serving Hashem, the korbanos, the sacrifices, were accompanied with shira, v'zimra, with songs by the Leviim, which involve playing musical instruments, singing the songs with words, and that's a din d'oraita. It's a Torah requirement, and therefore, even without the Beit HaMikdash, which our prayers today are very much a continuation of the Beit HaMikdash service, Avodah, and therefore our prayers also involve shira, zimra, negina, singing melodies together with the words. And the Hasidic masters developed the idea of music as being a core part of Avodah, of Tefillah. And they said that because as we come back closer to the Mashiach era, we're going to come back more and more to the original way of serving Hashem in the Beit HaMikdash, and soon we will have a Beit HaMikdash. So therefore, our prayers should have more and more singing, more and more melodies. I wanted to demonstrate the melodies which accompany both forms of Tefillah, the bakashot, the requests, and the shevach, the thanks and praise to Hashem. I'm going to take two examples of each. Now, the Hasidic masters say that really there are three levels of the Avodah, of praying with song. One is just the words. The next level is words plus melody. And finally, just melody. So I'll demonstrate that a little bit, and everybody who is a shul which sings know that those prayers are extremely powerful. Everybody knows that the melodies themselves are extremely powerful, and that this three-level, words plus melody, melody itself, is a tremendous religious experience. And we should know that as we do it, that there are two forms. There's the bakashot, there are the requests, and then there are the shevach, the praises. Of course, the Tehillim is full of bakashot and praises in the 150 chapters, and David HaMelech, the basic composer of the Tehillim, is known as Ne'im Zmirot Yisrael, the great composer of Jewish songs. Okay, so let's demonstrate a couple of them. And the rest we leave up to you and to everybody who prays to God. One bakasha, which is said every week in most synagogues throughout the world, is in the Shacharit Kedusha, and it's asking Hashem to come back to the Beit HaMikdash and sanctify His name in the holy city of Jerusalem forever and ever. So let's say the words, and then we'll sing a melody. There are many melodies which accompany the Tefillah of Mem Komcha, and I'll just take one of them, which is pretty popular in recent years. So in Hebrew, the words are Mem Komcha Malkeinu Sophia V'simlo Chaleinu Ki Mechakim Anachnu Lach Masai Timloch B'Tzion V'karov B'Yameinu L'Olam B'Ed Tishkon Tiskadel V'Tiskadesh B'Soch Yerushalayim Ircha L'Dor V'Dor L'Netzach Netzochim V'Einenu Serenu Malchusecho Kadavoma B'Shirei Uzecho Alei David Mishir Tzidkecha. Now let's do with a niggin. Komecha ma'avavalakeweinu Sophia v'similavo avavalakeweinu Ki mechakim anavavachnu lach Mohosayetem melach b'teiyon B'kadav b'yameweweina ra 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 ram ra 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 ram li'olam avoed tiwishikavon tiskadal v'ses kavod wahadash habesach Yerushalayim echa the dawawar vadawawar ra 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 ram ula netzach netzach wawachim v'einei sireweno haimalchos ewewecho Kadavar hawa moror ra 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 b'shirei hozecha rai 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 ram ra ra ram rai 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 ram ra ra ram Hayal yedaway dawa v'yir ra 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 Meshiach tzayid gecha rai 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 ram rai 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 ram ra 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 ram ram ra 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 ram ra 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 ram ra 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 ram ram Rai 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 ram rai 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 ram. Now we'll sing another prayer bakasha, which is also very important today in today's Jewish world. And that's the prayer which we actually say at the end of Birchat HaMazon. Na hoyiti gam zokanti v'lo re'iti tzadik ne'ezov v'zar mavakesh lochem. Hashem oz la'amo yitein, Hashem yivorech es amo v'shalom. I never saw a righteous person abandoned by God. God, please give the Jewish people strength. Bless the Jewish people with peace. Nar hoyisi gawawamazokanti velo rawisi tzadik nezov velo rawisi tzadik nezov v'zaro mevakesh lochem. Nar hoyisi gawawamazokanti velo rawisi tzadik nezov velo rawisi tzadik nezov v'zaro mevakesh lochem. Hawazewemos liamo yidein. Hawazewemos liamo yidein. Hawazem yevorech ezamo v'avasholom. Hawazewemos liamo yidein. Hashemos liamo yidein. Hawazem yevorech ezamo v'avasholom. Ra 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 ba ram bam bam. Ra 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 ram. Ra 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 ram. Ra 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 ram ba ram ba ram. Ra 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 ram bam bam bam. Ra 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 ra. Ay, rai, 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 rai. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Let us hope and pray that we continue to pray with fervent melodies and songs, that the Eibishter, the Rabbanu Shalom, will grant all the requests, both as individuals and as members of the Jewish people, and for the Jewish people. Hashem Yamale Mishalos Libenu Litova. Thank you.